y'all. Thanks for clicking in this morning. My name is Lori. This is my husband, the captain. And this is this is day 2 of our Thailand trip. No, I've not had anything to drink. I've not had any caffeine yet. Go ahead. Oh my goodness. The captain just told me it is not even 7:30 in the morning yet. And I'm already up, showered, ready for, clearly I didn't do my hair, but whatever. I'm up and we're ready to leave the room. So I'm gonna see if I can use this jet lag stuff to try to turn me into maybe a morning person. Is that funny? You think that's funny?
I do. You are laughing too on the inside.
I could never be a morning person, but whatever. I can enjoy it, right? This is still morning. I can enjoy it.
2 weeks.
What happens in 2 weeks?
Then we go home and you're not a morning person anymore.
That's so true. Yo, this is an absolutely amazing breakfast buffet. So I've had coffee and food now, so I'm
So now you love me again?
I always love them. So it was explained to us that this is a spirit house, and the locals set it up so that they can make an offering and gift and pray for the spirits to keep ghosts away from the hotel. I'm gonna say that better when I actually record this for real.
Get a picture of that one too, because that's actually the
Oh.
You just added into your video.
So I lied. Where am I? I'm not good at this part yet. That's the spirit house behind me. Yeah.
That's like good luck where they thank Buddha in the morning.
Okay.
The other one, and that was like the spirit house.
Okay.
But that, yeah, basically it's just where they go pray.
Okay.
Keep the bad spirits out, and then thank Buddha in the morning for maybe lots of customers.
Oh, okay.
The winning lottery number.
That's a garbage can, right?
Yeah, that is beautiful. That is a very beautiful garbage can.
That is the way to do a garbage can. No, seriously, isn't that really pretty? I love that. I love how people can be so creative and take the most mundane, necessary things and make it beautiful. Horseback riding on the beach, just like at home. That's one of my favorite sounds in the whole world is the sound of the waves. I could listen to that forever. All right, so I'm climbing the rocks and there's stairs. think I'll take stairs down. Whoever built these stairs has got the tiniest feet ever. Little tiny Thai feet.
Jumped off the rocks and now I got sand in my shoes.
It's okay.
How's your car right now? Oh, the boats were beach yesterday.
That close?
They come in here and dump a bunch of firecrackers in here. Chinese people have weird celebrations.
What is that? Oh, okay. Oh, yes, I see now.
Seafood restaurant. Nighttime.
They're traps.
If we live by the water, I would buy a boat like that. One with a cover.
With a cover for sure.
Even if there's water on land, she's playing in it.
Hey y'all, we are on to the next hotel. We are so lucky that we have Paige and Chuck to help us with this trip, because they know what we need more than we do. They have a lot more experience with jet lag than we do, and they have planned this so efficiently for us so that we get plenty of time to, you know, be out and about, but we also get some downtime to rest and get acclimated to the new time zone we're in. So a big thank you to Paige and Chuck on No Time to Be Sad. Thanks, y'all. Okay, so the place we wanted to go for lunch is closed for renovation. So we're going someplace else. What's the name of the place we're going? Here.
Cafe de Wok.
Cafe de Wok.
But they have food, they have menu, they make it in a hotel, I believe.
Yeah, it looks good. Let's check it out.
JJ's mother and father's name.
Oh,
One's their father, one's their mother.
How fun.
sexy lady. Sexy.
And then it turns into this.
Oh. And there's your husband.
So we have just arrived at our next hotel. And as you can see, it's another really big room. So far, all the rooms in Thailand have been really, really big. And we can appreciate that. Traveling in Thailand has been so much fun, but I have not felt like such a toddler in a long, long time. I know I said it before, but again, we are so freaking fortunate to be traveling with Chuck and Paige, because Paige has helped me order food at restaurants and figure things out, because I don't speak the language, and I'm using Google Translate to try to figure things out on my own, and I'm getting by with that. But Paige has made this so easy for us. I cannot even thank her enough. So Paige, if you see this video, thank you. If not, that's okay too. We still thank you. So let's get changed and head down to the pool.
Get antibiotic resistant.
We don't like to take medicine.
Are you having fun, baby?
Are you having fun?
We're having fun.
Rooftop pool.
Are you gonna dance with me?
We got quite a drive.
You know where I live, baby. I can't hardly do it in
Is this it?
Oh, that.
You're on too many steps.
Oh.
This is literally just one snap.
Two.
Snap.
Snap.
Excursion, or that's just a boat?
Woo!
Shower and walk.
So we're headed downstairs to meet Chuck and Paige, run across the street and have some dinner by the ocean. Now, I haven't learned very much about Thailand because I've only been here 2 days, but what I have learned is when people say it's hot and humid, like, they are not lying, it is hot and humid. So there's 2 things I cannot do well in Thailand. One is my hair, because it's just too damn hot to run a hair dryer or, you know, straightening iron or anything like that. And the other is makeup, because it melts right off your face. Sorry, y'all had to see me trip a little there. So let's go to dinner. No hair, no makeup, but you know, that's all right. Let's go to dinner. So baby, what's your favorite thing about Thailand so far? I can't be his favorite thing about Thailand because I'm his favorite thing in Texas. At home, when we're out on the water on the boat, we see a lot of container ships. And I don't think I've seen a single container ship since we've been here, have you?
Yes, one. Way out the Gulf Zone. That was that in the hill. Who you have?
One. So yeah, only the one container ship. Hi, baby. Well, y'all, we just finished a great dinner. So once again, I am fat and happy. We ate, oh, sorry, ripping my earring out. We ate out by the water, and it's super humid, as you can tell from my hair. Like, this is super humid Thailand hair. I know, it's beautiful. Thank you. Anyway, I should edit that out because that's dumb. I don't know why I said that. Don't listen to that. Anyway, we're just gonna end this video right here. I hope y'all have a great night. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye, y'all.